Let's talk about the trim tool. This is the second tool. The trim tool is for the script of the video, or you can call it the transcribed text from the original video. Trim works only on the original video you uploaded. On the left side, you can see the full script. You can go over it and delete parts if you want to make the short shorter. To delete a sentence, just click the trash icon next to that sentence. Klap just takes a whole chunk of the clip as it is, so if you want to make it more clipped and fast-paced, you'll need to do some cutting. You can also remove a single word. When you hover over a word, it gets highlighted. You can then click delete. You can't change it between scenes. Whatever changes you make in the editor will save immediately. If you like to go back while you're in the editor, you can click the undo button, but after you close the video and go back to the dashboard, you can't undo the parts you edited before you close the window. In the next video, I will show you how to publish the video directly to your socials from Klap without the need to export the video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.